Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a important topic to discuss, and I want to share with you how to allergy-proof your home. So first off, allergies can be a real hassle, especially with the seasons changing. But with a few simple steps, we can create a healthier living environment for ourselves. So let's get started. Step 1, you clean and declutter your bedroom. Your bedroom should be a safe haven for a good night's sleep. So you want to start by regularly vacuuming the floors and dusting surfaces to remove allergens such as dust mites and pet dander. Also, consider using allergen-proof covers for your pillows and for your mattresses to prevent exposure. Step 2, maintain a clean kitchen. Allergens can often be found in the kitchen, especially if you have food allergies. Now, you want to keep your kitchen very clean by wiping down the countertops, sweeping or mopping the floors, and washing your dishes promptly. It's also a good idea to store food properly and regularly clean out your pantry to prevent mold and mildew. Step 3, control indoor humidity. High humidity can lead to mold growth, which can trigger your allergies. You want to use a dehumidifier in areas that are prone to moisture, such as the basement or the bathroom. Additionally, you want to make sure to fix any leaks or water damage promptly to prevent the growth of mold and mildew. Step 4, create a hypoallergenic outdoor space. Spending time outside is great, but pollen and other outdoor allergens can hitch a ride right into your home. So you want to create a barrier by placing doormats at all the entryways and encouraging family and your guests to remove their shoes upon entering your home. Okay? You can also install window screens to keep pollen from entering when the windows are open. And be sure to check out the link in the description below to order your very own easy install magnetic screen door. Step 5, keep your pets in mind if you have any. If you have allergies and own a pet, it's important to take extra precautions. Regularly groom your pets, including brushing their fur with really good shampoo and bathing them on a regular basis. It's also a good idea to establish pet-free zones in your home, such as bedrooms, to reduce the allergen exposure while you're sleeping. Step 6, maintain a clean and organized home office. You want to dust around. Dust, paper, and other allergens can easily accumulate in your home office. So you want to clean and declutter this space regularly, and consider using a high efficiency particulate air HEPA filter to reduce airborne allergens. And there you have it, 6 steps to allergy-proofing your home. By following these simple steps, these simple tips, you can create a healthier and a much more comfortable living environment for yourself and for your loved ones this summer, okay? And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more useful content such as this one. I do appreciate you for tuning in. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. And with that being said, make sure that you follow the tips in this video to keep those summer allergens out of your home and out of your system. Until next time, stay safe and have a good weekend. Bye-bye.